everyone, I'm Apurva and welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video, I will discuss a very deep topic. It's called meditation and its types. Now there are a lot of myths about meditation, and one of those is that meditation is only for the aged people or the grown-ups, which is completely wrong because we all are human beings, and human is derived from the word humus, and the being is referred to the consciousness or the soul that resides within that human body. And we do so much to nurture the physical part of it, that is our body. We eat, we bath, we put on good clothes, we do makeup for the body. But what do we do for the soul? How do we nurture it? Meditation is the only way to nurture the soul. I personally am a very spiritual person. FYI, it does not mean that I'm too religious or too superstitious. And there is a very big difference, because spirituality means connecting to your own higher self. Because we the being behold infinite power within us. All that is left to do is go inside, access it and use it to improve your life. And meditation helps you do that. Most successful people have meditated in one or the other form, which has led them to achieve heights. So maybe now it's your turn to do the same. Shall we? But before you get to that, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell icon to get all my notifications. Now I will share every meditation that I know, from the easiest to the most difficult ones. You have to select one for yourself, see what suits you the best, what is most comfortable to you, and do that, practice that regularly so that you can see the benefits. And it doesn't matter even if you pick an easy one, it does equally well provided you do it regularly. Number 1. Detach and watch. Now you can do this meditation at any time. All you have to do is pause for a moment and start watching your thoughts. You will suddenly notice that all of your wandering thoughts will instantly vanish and you achieve a thoughtless state. This one is very powerful because all your widespread energy into 60,000 thoughts per minute is now focused into only one thing, which doesn't even require much effort. All you have to do is watch your thoughts and they disappear instantly. Easiest thing to do and instantly feel energetic. Number 2. Sound waves meditation. Now there are many names for such kinds of meditations. You can search for meditation music, binaural beats, transcendent waves on YouTube or any other platform, and all you have to do is plug in your earphones and listen to that music very, very carefully and attentively, and it will do the work for you. The science behind this meditation is the frequency of the sound, which I don't know is of some higher states which uplift our state of consciousness too. These sounds are very soothing and sort of mystical, but I don't do it quite often, but I love doing it while I'm doing my yoga. Number 3. Breath observation. Watch yourself inhale and exhale for a few moments and you will feel calm and relaxed. It is said that if you can control your breath, you can control almost anything in the world. So practice this. I do this about for 5 minutes daily while I'm doing my yoga and pranayams. Number 4. Guided meditation apps. For any particular situation, just tune in based on your current mood and listen and do whatever they ask you to do. It is basically a 5 to 10 minutes max. Mostly involves breathing exercises. If you're a kind of a person who can't meditate on your own, this is a good option for you because the external guidance help you control your wandering mind. Someone else is taking the responsibility of your meditation here. It's good. Number 5. Affirmations and visualizations. It is based on the law of attraction and it can help you achieve anything in the world. It requires 3 things. First, right words. Second, clear visualizations. And third, intense feelings. So technically the process is that the thoughts are the electric neurosignals and feelings are emotions and emotions are energy, and everything in the universe is vibrating at a certain frequency, which means if you want to attract something, you have to align your emotional frequency with the frequency of that thing, and hence making your feelings magnetic to attract what you desire. These 3 things make an electromagnetic field which can attract anything by aligning to the similar frequencies. I try to do it, but it requires a lot of passion and good imagination. You can try it for yourself and see if you can manifest. Let me know in the comments below. By the way, that technical definition was from Dandapani and you can listen to him personally. I will link that video in the description box. Number 6. The sound of silence. I heard this concept from Sandeep Maheshwari and it is actually very interesting. There is a sound that is everywhere all the time and it is heard when we close our ears or there is absolute silence around us, and it is the only sound which is heard in complete silence. You can listen to the expert himself, Sandeep Maheshwari, for details. The links are in the description below. It's good and it's easy. You can do it by using earplugs and it improves concentration. 7. Concentrating on only one object. This requires you to continuously stare at one single point or object without blinking your eyes. The longer you can do this without blinking, the more is your concentration and the more control you have on yourself. It's very difficult for me, so I don't try it. But if you can do it, let me know in the comments below. Number 8. Om chanting. You have to do long Om chants as I showed in my yoga video. Now Om is the sound of the universe. Everything that you notice, deep down it goes into the background sound of Om. Constantly Om, Om. Everything is all about Om. Om chanting sets a deep vibration in your body which gives you a lot of power, and it helps if you are a singer or a vocalist as it improves your voice clarity. I try to do it every single day because I want to be a singer. Next is the third eye meditation. It requires you to focus on this point, and here lies the third eye which enlightens if it is opened. It improves your intuition power, your sixth sense, your judgment, your decision making. It has a great impact on your spiritual powers. Next is the chakra meditation. So like we have physical body systems like digestive system, excretory system, respiratory system, we also have a system for our spiritual body and it is called the chakra system. It consists of 7 chakras like the colors of the rainbow. The first chakra starts from the base of the spine and it goes up towards the top of your head. Right here is the 7th chakra which is called the crown chakra. From the base of the spine to our crown, each chakra is responsible for different aspects of our life. And when that chakra is balanced, that aspect of our life performs its best. More detail about this chakra meditation in my next video, so stay tuned to watch that. And next is the Kundalini awakening. It is also based on the concept of chakras, plus it is said that there is a goddess power that lies on the base of our spine which goes through each of the chakras like a serpent, activating, opening and balancing each chakra as it passes through it, and it rises towards the head of the crown chakra and it opens the crown chakra, and it is called the ultimate state of enlightenment. More about it also in my next video, so stay tuned. Next is another meditation that I just heard from a friend. I don't know much about it, but it is a Buddhist meditation and it requires us to chant Nam Myoho Renge Kyo. And it is said that if you believe in this and you chant this mantra with full faith, having a desire in your mind, this mantra Nam Myoho Renge Kyo is called a miracle mantra because it can help you manifest almost anything that you can desire. It is said, I have not experienced it yet, I can try it. So it was quite a long video and I'm so tired of speaking. I hope you found it helpful and enjoyed it and learned so many new things, and I'm hoping that you will try at least one of these meditations and help yourself. And you don't need to go for the most difficult ones. If it's not comfortable for you, you can start and try with the easy ones and you can see the benefits. Then if you want, you can shift and upgrade yourself, but also the easy one works equally well, so give it a shot. And let me know in the comments whatever you thought about this video, or you have any sort of questions, or you know some other sorts of meditations. I would love to know about it. You liked it, disliked it, any sort of feedback is welcome. Just please let me know your thoughts. I will see you in my next video. Please make sure to subscribe until then so that next time when I come, you know that I'm here. Keep smiling and meditating. Bye bye.